90% of Jordan is arid and semi-arid land. When rain falls, most of the water runs off and gets evaporated, and the water that reaches to the dams, also most of it evaporates. So it's very important to keep the water or the rainfall where it stays.
WADI's mission does not only focus on the recharge of underground water, but also the increasing of the green cover to combat desertification. And it also focuses on the totality of the ecosystem. So we're working on the water, we're working on the green cover, and we're working also with the habitats of the creatures, from insects to animals and all living parts of that ecosystem. The Sabha Reserve, in which we stand right now, has an area of 10,000 acres. It includes 4 types of native plants. The native plants have been carefully thought of, from the process of seed collecting to the preparation of the medium, to sowing, and finally to planting. The success rate of these plants is 85%, which is considered a very high percentage, and they only need to be watered once, which is also reducing the amount of water needed for the irrigation of the green areas.